Okay, you second one. I need second last. Thank you. Shogene, okay? You're going to go to Nitra. Ciana, away. Thank you, Mwagi. Get it out. Okay, Bishop. Bishop, you get it out. Kado yako. Thank you, Mutumia wa Mwagi. Oiga yu ajoroge. Rata wana tulimu wa Muhiko vita nama. Thank you. Rijamira. Initial day atene. Thank you so much. Ane mato morire ine. Initial day atene. Thank you Muno. Thank you Muno Mjoro. Mheshimiwa Nogari. Kaburi ezedongo. Kai mwigirire. Sina tugatari ezegi Muno. Okay, Ciana, if you see Shakai Papa, I hope you. Okay, we get it. We got to know what we get it. Huroko horo brata vitu. Let's Muhiko Taiga. Horo horo. Dua tanya tigre negira kado yake. Toto inahinya no yako kanyitire roshi oge. Tuligiana sana kwenye terapa mreno. Na vaya mwangate wa Muhiko ihau. Ya 0716 240 669. Thank you so much. Para kayo ang kinyamuisyo, may gugulo dito yung mga nyawa umuwi. Turugamite na kitiyo kiugiothe, turugamite oro uguo. Kidogo tu, dagikoro imwe nigetha tuhoerwo. Nikwendaga tukunengera Mwangi dagikoro imwe tu. Niwe kuheana ndumiriri ya the family. Aikole ona mamwe na kado ne marikia. Aya kidogo tu tunengere Mwangi o dagikoro imwe. Na uhoro ucio nĩgũkorwo wĩ mwega. Mũrĩega.
God is good. Another time. It's not easy. But to make it. That was a good person. Loved people. That meant that they are doing. He loved us, he fought for us, even defended us. We have lost one of our biggest pillars in our family. both from my mom's side and that side. Gainia Korea Kwaria, no. Yeah, they don't know. Not before together was okay. Those are people who have always worked with us. Because I can say that time, since quite job, mom was not working, and dad was also not working. But this friend of dad never got tired to come to our home, never got tired to come and visit us. Baba Shiko, you're the one who take over family. This, see attitude that Amanda, utaichukua simu yetu. Please. Nimeipata dada kinigunika. Because I believe, both from our families, kuna dada ever alisaidia. But when he needed them most, no one who picked fault. But Baba Shiko, hajaituangusha. Unaweza ongea vitu mbaya zake. But the truth is that he has never failed us. Kamburi also, Nama. These are people that will come and tell us that hatuongei na Kamburi alikosea. But after 3 days, you'll find them laughing and calling each other all sorts of names. He was a loving person. He loved to see people together. He even loved my kids. Because I remember for the last 4 months, I and my wife, I used to wake up in the morning to take medicine to him because he was diabetic and had pressure. So the small boy who came here is called Muhiko. Every time when I woke up, he told me, Baba, woke up. He would always remind me that tunafaa tupelekea daddy dawa. He loved him. I used to tell him, Kehe kiara ga guko mode. Ananiambia pana kiutike. Usione mwanake. Todo no gutira mushoriko. Whenever we used to fight with my sisters, he used to ask us. I remember like 3 months ago, he asked us, "Ikedia wono mo geikara." He wanted to see us happy. Even if they were the ones of the wrong, my dad would ask me, "Now when I'm going to go koi, he can you give my call?" I'd feel guilty and I can't. And be that he's sorry, mate. He never wanted anyone to mistreat our kids. He used to wake up so early in the morning just to train my younger sister how to improve on his studies. And honestly, today when I went to school to ask for permission for him, the teacher told me that since for the last 3 months, Barnes has improved. Because today, CRE alikuwa na 100%. Today, I'm talking about today. Social studies where she used to get 29. Today she had 50 out of 60. So, what Dad used to wake up to do to our kid, our baby sister, has been seen today. And it's a testimony that my sister is going to pass this exam. We are going to make it. That has so many people here. But I'm sure we are not going to get wasted. Karambo, the day I got I could not meet Bishop JJ in Muigai. When I called him, he told me, "I'm in India, but let me give you 10,000. I've never interacted with Karambo. But I told him, Dad is sick. The next thing he said was 10,000, which he never told me, give me back. Something else, we have welcomed everybody who was a good friend to Dad. And we don't want issues with anyone. If you had issues now with us, please handle it before he goes. Because me, I'm not going to handle anything here. I'm not going to handle it here. I'm a dad that go to the Please, the committee is here, handle it. The committee. Mimi usikuje simu lipea. Na kaa hata unipatie nisaidie ni asante. Lakini usikuje kutumbua sisi na watu wetu. Tafadhali, respect the azivo. watu wa media mumeongea mingi, sasa mmejionea leo. Mlisema dadi ashikaniangi na watu. Hawa wote wenye mnaonaga wanashikania kupitia mikono mimo. Mind what to post and what to say. It's so hurting. Because wewe furahia kutafuta views zako. Lakini kuna mtu anaumiza zaidi. Knowing very well. Nilikuwa naibia kila DJ papers. Because na anajua himdasiu. Kwa kujitanira jitanira na ndo karoti nyanyita na wewe watu wengine kujitanira nini. So please be good to us. I saw even some comments yesterday at home. They were so hurt. So I just hope I'm strong back.
Thank you so much.
It's well. It's well. Same.
Tikwenda kukalia warosho hapa. Ona kwenda kuruga mundu wothe oye takandara iguru. Kiria mundu ahandaga. No kiageka atia?
Kagetha.
Turithia ciana biũ. Reke ciana irere biũ nĩ ũrĩa ũrandĩka. Nĩgetha tũkũgathĩrĩrie. Nĩgetha ũgĩe na likes. Ũgĩe na subscribers aingĩ. No Ngai ndakareka mũndũ akome mbĩrĩra-inĩ. Atacaĩte. Ũrĩa anacaĩthia arĩa angĩ. Ingĩaga kuga ciugo icio tondũ o gũkũ kũrĩ andũ ega. No gũkoragwo na andũ ũru arĩa maragia o ũrĩa mekwenda. Aria tu tondũ kĩhoto kĩ guoko-inĩ gwaku. No mũthenya ũmwe ciaku nĩ ikaria. Na cikario ciana ciaku ciĩroreire na nĩ ũgakona ihinda iritũ mũno. Tirĩ na ũndũ ũngĩ.
Nĩngwenda ũnoti ũhoro wa mũthuri ũyũ. As we talk now, kando na mahunjio na gũtema matindi nĩcikiĩ. This was closest person to this family. And I would love to put it clear to these media guys. Muhiko ndararĩ wa gũteithio. He was not a needy person. Muhiko ararĩ mũteithia. Na ndĩrenda kũgũkambũri mainana ma na mũndũ gwitũ ithe waciko mũigaie haha. Muhiko was not a needy man. Acio amwe mangĩetererwo mateithie Muhiko nĩ akombori. Muhiko araikaraga gwake. So let it be known by everybody, he was not needy. Muhiko have a neighbor's son, and Muhiko was rich at the Kinyatoya gwake ithuĩ gwitũ kũrĩ. This man wasn't needy. No ndĩmwĩrire kinya njeci cia Kenya iria ndambũre mũno nĩ ikuagĩra mbara-inĩ. He was a wounded soldier in the battle. Mũrimũ ũgĩũka ũgĩkua mũtumia na ũracokora mũkua. Na tiwe wa mbere aini nĩ mathiĩte. Achibaroza makwite na accent murugami wa uni Matthew, very many. Na gũkua, anybody can die. Nĩkũhoya tũhoyaga Ngai areke tũikaikare. Kindly tigai gũikia maũndũ off the balance. Andũ a ciana ici. Their father was not needy. And what we are doing, we are not giving because they are needy. We are doing because it's noble. Tũrekwo tondũ nĩ prudent na nĩ wega. Weka kuo. Jesu aliniambia kufuatilia Johana. Johana kifuatilia Jesu. Jesu ni aamini Johana ni aamini. Akuga wewe munene kukira ndiagirire kufuatilia. No Jesu kimwira ni wega gwikaga maria makanire na uthiru. Ona konde munene gukira no kinya obatilie. So we are doing this because this man was our senior. Ni arerete muigai kinya kumwandika wira. Ni rwimbo rwakwa kinyaga mbere na nyimbo nyingi twandikite nake. Ona video ya kinyaga mbere ni inite koragwo na ndweki Elijah Miragia. He has been sponsored by him. And Elijah Miragia is a great name by the Muhiko. We used to be very down. No, this man, I retaliate, Muhiko was not needy. And I know, Pastor Elijah Miragia, you can assert it. Matindi is here. Muhiko was not needy. Anybody who portray that unneedy, he wasn't. I read to Muhiko. Namwagi, Karai Muhiko, your dad was a fighter, was a neighbor man, was a path maker, path fighter. Nemodo kethire njira mutito mwiri ukimuhitiria thikoni nitu na arathi amwe itu haha kogiaria ma twina ndawa mihuko na ikicikari-ini makari mau marero manene maingĩ mamo mena ndawa no rĩngĩ gatito ka mwene ka ngoro kau naguo no nĩ mwene. So let's not put this family na maithori. Their mother left like less than 2 years ago and timehia mehirie haria ndimoririe Jesu mundu uria hano guto ni kwihia kana ni aciari akimura kiwathiro guo nigetha Ngai agocagwo. We have done this before, we will be doing it. Tondu ithuothe turi mbere ya gakuo na guothe guciaragwo ni gukuagwo. I speak these words Karango to encourage you. I know na when you get challenges nyingi ukiruta wira uyu. Let this man na kai Karango rute wira wake. If you feel you not give, don't, but don't talk much. These people who write too much on the social media, they give so little. Na again, at very young, looking for viewers. If you talk about the clearly talk about social media, what are the Google? How many JJ working about media? What are the Keto? Oh, it's in Maguichi. Muigai made the name with media. Mira made it with media. Kaburi and the rest are my nana, what are social media? To an KBC, Naya review okay. We made our way. Mukituana to Heshimuni Jamani. Heshimu huyu jamaa, he was a producer yake. Korwa oinini wenda kia dhaishi zlani shia CD. I think he's the man who have produced me the best selling oini wake. Kindly, I beg you, then you want interrogation as your bishop. Let's respect his family. Let them mourn peacefully. Mamoni kingatole kibiroyo. Muiri tushoreka kekana niyo bansi. Eke kekana niyo na dhayo. Dhi mo mahoere. Mukimenyaga kwanyu. No ugakio kado. Shikara koko shigo imo shiama kia muno. Te kado shinega kio. Na doi no ugakia yaku. Tondo gako roho. Ndi hado haha farahe hado haledu madhaduko. Kedu mwaka mudiru. Gyoria mutumi yosho idhaduko lile lima bia sigana. Kikola gilifote. Lea 60 na lea magana meri. Gemuri lea magana meri ni oda kanarina mudu. Makejira mwene alio kukufarake itoka. Alio kufututi mweno alio kufutu. Mwene lele. Atona no kuna hitukiro haha. No kuti mudu idhaduko yake. Tole kagoro ne komiti. Niwe gato madu atatu. Kwa mwene alio kuku. Ta imagine lea kuno kurore hadu. Ne iliku no ulio kuku. Ukiaragia, ukimesa around. Ukikagate na tu media twaku. We own media houses and we don't talk much. We own media houses, not online channels. We own media houses and we don't talk much. Na hena thuri mena indo nyingi muno makirite guku tuo ugoro na natogoti itoga tinirine gena kamuno. I beg you muneke turikiro gedoro na ciana citigaite maithori magaito gwaku kana kwanyu. I'm not saying this to you mourners. I'm saying this to those who are hurting this family. The morning that Muhiko died, Gainyare kile abie nie mainana ma Elijamira Muigai wotiro gani tikire nadimu. Our phones were off. Itumiki agai kohoje ndi mushitu shiothe ate mundu wanyi tikire ni mundu ija yafururi kinya kaburi danyi tikire. Tondu ne togia rugamire gatakati ka Ngai na Muhiko. Maybe ne togia gani nginya kumutwara ku tokugiria Ngai yake wendi wake. Why did God have to come between us? And akekiria ndi mushitu ithie so that he wanted him to rest. He didn't wanted him to go. And the time will come. Nobody will stop. My friends will mourn and will come to what you have done here. Yes. Somebody will speak the way I have spoken. Namutri mundo karo kama katika kuna Ngai yakofata. Na mudhanyo shimura toro kwa data muno agakoroda fari kanadi mo yake kalihiga. Like he did. Muno koyana mudhaniwe they have married the sisters. He could not be reached. And married chekagania sofinga after everything was done and the man had gone. He died peacefully and he is at peace. Let him rest and let the family rest in peace. If you haha kama wazee wa kitambo na iliale na dua dhudha wayo na dua memerekia na dua online na dua media ale ya wedi mwega totigire wirono wadira na mwanao ni abama na mwakinyo ya mutegi wa family yo. So we are not raising funds because the man is needy. We want to stabilize the family. So the death was sudden. The death was so sudden hatari tamu ya kwegaya. Kore marwara ga muno makahinyereka akahota kuroga igedona nona no kore ndo magithukagirwo ataugite wendi wake riu wendi wake ni thitukuga tarata na ingi tufangi ora tungiona kone gwaku ukikate tugitiga mwangi tumutige kali thire togwauga na ndagoke kura ndu ruthire ni mundu. Let's put it very well. Aikoro hera ina thire wa Muhiko besha ile ira gutogwo koni komite ni cia guthika Muhiko tia kuri habathire make thire wake na mukaiga kea yake kana nyumba yake mwangi ni endia kana mugondo wa Muhiko mwangi ni endia ugathi ugire thire tondu indo icio ni cia Muhiko ciendi no bici ra tuguku ni citu mureke tubange mathiko mundu withire urani Muhiko ara thire wake na tureke program citu na bia citu ici ndukagire ti cia mwangi ti cia family ni citu ta endio ndi mwega until tureke mathiko kira gigatigera tone family mweterere mwangi akendia mugondo wa ithe kana broti ya ithe uke uradure akorwo Ciugo muigai haha na ne njugire ukuri ukiohegaga ukinenehaga kaburi haha na andũ angĩ nĩ tũtigagĩra ũrĩa Karango augire kũrĩ andũ tũtigagĩra mbara ithuĩ twatigire mbara lakini hawa wazee wako hiyo mambo you will not respond. Asante sana Karango, you can continue.
Unegera mrata witu gwitwo Ndi utuhoera bishop atwekera ndimo
kanitoya papa witu wa iguru thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo nĩtwagũtĩĩa. Thengiũ nĩ tondũ wa gũtũhe kĩambĩrĩria kĩega na ningĩ watũhe kĩrĩkĩro kĩega. Thayũ waku Ithe witũ nĩguo twahoya ũcio ũtandastandagwo nĩ meciria ma andũ thĩinĩ wa andũ aya aku magĩthiĩ kumagara thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo. Twahoya o ũguo Ithe witũ thayũ ũcio ũtũũre ũkirĩte ciana-inĩ cia Muhiko thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo. Na ũndũ ũmwe Ithe witũ tũngĩkũhoya nĩ thĩinĩ wa industry ya ũini baba witũ, mĩthingi ya ũini thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo twamĩambararia na kũrĩ we. Tũtirĩre mũthamaki ũrĩ tha, rũgamia ndeto ya gĩkuũ na maithori thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Jesu Kristo. Nacio ngumo na ũgoci igũtũũre Ithe witũ. Twagũtĩa nĩ twakũrĩa nĩ wega tũkiumagara tumagara na wega waku na thayũ waku. Thengiũ nĩ tondũ wa gũtũhe igongona ithaka na rĩega na rĩa gwĩtĩkĩrĩka mbere yaku. Thengiũ nĩ tondũ wa gũtũtĩa hwaĩ-inĩ wa ũmũthĩ. Thengiũ Ithe witũ nĩ tondũ wa gũconora thũ citũ ũgatũtũngia kĩrathimo gĩaku riri waku no tĩĩku waku. Ũngĩrwo tũũra ũgocagwo no kumagio hingo ciothe thĩinĩ wa rĩtwa rĩa Kristo mwathani witũ twahoya na tũcokia ngatho.
Nyita mũndũ ũmwe guoko ona ndũgatinde ũkĩhinga maitho kana ũkĩnemia maitho, mũrore wega ũmwĩre wega wa mwathani witũ Jesu Kristo wendani wa Ngai na ũkwatanĩra wa mũthera ũgaikara nawe ciothe tene na tene. Amen. Mũthiĩ na ũhoreri, mwathani amũmenyerere. Tige kana Karango nĩ amwĩra mathiko nĩ marĩ Karango onawe ĩra igũthũria arathimwo ngoro ya ndorokathi mwĩre arathimwo ngoro ta ya Tabitha ndanogaga mwĩre arathimwo ndarĩ kanitha mũranagia mwĩre arathimwo we na nyũmba yaku Ngai arokũmenyagĩrĩra. Tunakupenda na wewe ni wa maana. I don't know what to say but nakuheshimu na kupenda.